tuli basanyufu era ng'abazungu omuzungu bagamba nti even a dead clock is right twice a day. Essaawa yo bw'eba nfu emirundi ebiri olunaku eba ntuufu. So olw'olumu tusanyuka okufuna victories bwezityo okuva mu kooti zino newankubadde tumanyi nti ekikeddamu zirina challenges nyingi nnyo. So kirungi nnyo okulaba nti guno omusango bagugobye kubanga era ng'omulamuzi bagambe tewali bujulizi era twali tukimanyi okuva mu ntandikwa gwali tebuliwo. So tuli basanyufu nnyo nti guno omusango kooti ate guno ogubadde musango mutono nnyo bw'ogugeraageranya n'ogwo omusango gwe babateekako oguli eyo ogw'amada naye nagwo tumanyi nti bajja gugoba. Ebyembi nti bino ebintu bitwala obudde bungi nnyo. Kati tebereza guno omusango ebbanga lye gututte kati otunulire n'emisango giri kati sofa bakamala bbanga erisuka mu mwaka mulamba ekyawa abasiba. Kakati omuntu bw'oba oli awo ng'olina ekisango bwekiti nga teri bujulizi teri ki ne bakuleetako simanyi inciting violence n'ebirala ng'obujulizi bwonna bwonna tebuliwo. So kya buswavu kya nnaku regimu ya Mwami Museveni egenda mu maaso n'okunyigiriza abantu ng'ekozesa amateeka. Naye ffe tetugenda ku giving up kubanga tujja kusigala nga tukola buli kintu kyonna ekyetaagisa okulaba nti abantu bafuna obwenkanya. Yeah, we are happy that this case has been dismissed by this court. Like we always say, the judiciary in Uganda has so many challenges. But every time, whenever there is any good decision that comes out of this court, we celebrate it because we know indeed that there is no evidence of wrongdoing on our part. We have always told the nation that we are a non-violent group of people who are simply exercising our to demonstrate and to demand for better conditions for the people of Uganda. So the regime, using the law, tries so much, but you can see that from the time they started in 2018 when we rolled out the Pure Power movement, there is no single case that they have ever decided against us or any of our activists, right from the Arua days. So all these cases are always trumped up. Unfortunately, these cases take a lot of time. They take money, they take resources, they take time. Our lawyers are always running up and down in one court to another and all that. So you find that you have all these challenges. But ultimately, we are glad that this decision has been decided. Unfortunately, there is a huge case of murder against these our members of parliament. Right now, that will be allocated to the case. As you know, the judge who was handling their case in the International Crimes Division was transferred, which is very unfortunate because we were close to getting justice in that matter. And then the judge was removed. So that
I do what I can afford. I do what is in my plans. As long as it's in my plans and it's in God's plans, I do it. And I do it for the sake of me and my girlfriend. Oh my God, I just love aeroplanes. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my. I love this aeroplane view hotel. Anyways, what is Jayong? So guys, so Virginia. A lot of words were said when I came in the very first place. Dr. Sefko or the Ssegirinya. How can you go minus your girlfriend? How can you go? Because you normally came America. Not thinking that Muno was a Munsengo Kutegila. I knew you would say all those words. And I wanted to see your reactions. And finally I got it. So Oksembia Narong, it was in plans. It was planned for. I know when you talk a lot, you find that you get disappointed. So a lot of people buy you get in gambo binji, na longa with the interview, na longa with the passport, na longa with the magazine, against the Kufuna Bimaraya, and that is the young Kazwin and said, okay, now here she is. Say something. Say something, girl. She lost her what? Manyanga what? Oh, she's here. But what to say? Bomb way, Manyoko, Islam bed spacey, sentence about it to go. And I was like, we don't just love this everything.